No, I don't think so. So see,
That's the answer
the
I wanted to hear.
difference.
That's the answer I think we all wanted to hear.
Absolutely. So, doctor should not have any reservations about their decisions. So, I think they should be very clear, crisp and clear in their mind that this is the thing which I'm going to target. This is the thing I'm doing for the patient or the betterment of the patient. Uh, Having said that, you know, uh, हम लोग एक डेटा के अनुसार चलते हैं. So, doctor, I think medical profession is different from other professions because we're dealing with life straight away, and there is no scope of inaccuracies. There is no scope of any faults, even the slightest one, because that may mean actually that may cost a life. So we are very confident. That's the reason we keep working. We have done so many procedures that I think first we make up our mind that this is the thing and this is how I'm going to do it, and then there are no ifs and buts.
Wow.
One has to be fully confident, which I am. I think so. We have no nervousness or no ifs and buts while we are going for any complex procedure. So, but yes, in today's arena, again, one thing becomes more important is that we have to be very transparent to the patient.
True.
See, उनको सारा अच्छे से हमें describe करना है that this is the situation and these are the results which we are expecting. From our side, we know exactly what we are doing and we'll do our best.
क्या बात है?
This is how I would put it.
No, that's perfect. That's beautiful to know that you prep before you go. Every case you read, you understand what you have to do, and then that is when you decide. After you decide the course of action, after which you go ahead with the procedure.
Obviously, I would say that times have changed as it was 10 or 20 years back. The respectability which was there 20 years back may not be the same right now because, everybody is exposed to the flood of knowledge these days. So, सब लोग patients data लेके आते हैं, Google करके आते हैं सब कुछ. The questioning to a doctor has increased, and then expectations from a doctor has increased further. But still, I tell you one thing: this is the profession where still there is lots and lots of respect in the people's mind. Still, the guys who get treated from a doctor, they have full faith and they respect their doctor in a big way. Even I feel that, and that this is the sense of fulfillment for us. हम लोग इतना जो काम करते हैं, उसका सबसे बड़ा जो हमें रीपे मिलता है वो यही है भी उसका जो रिस्पेक्ट हम उनकी आंखों में देखते हैं. अभी भी मुझे कहीं से कोई फोन आ जाता है, डॉक्टर साहब आपने मुझे ट्रीट किया था, आप मुझे काम ही नहीं बताते हो, मेरे लिए कोई काम बताइए. So tell me something, how I can help you, how I can support you, किसी भी तरीके से बताइए. So I think that is something which is not there perhaps in other professions. It may be, but this is the sense of achievement which is there in our minds that this is the thing. Right?
Very well said. But मैं आपको यहाँ पे बोलूंगी कि ऐसे मत बोलिए कि 20 साल पहले जो रिस्पेक्ट थी वो कम होगी. ऐसे मत बोलेगा. Especially in the last 1 year, we all have realized.
So I think yes, you may be right because ये कोरोना वाला जो सारा एपिसोड हुआ उससे डॉक्टर्स का एक वैल्यू जो सब लोग सोचते थे वो सबकी नजरों में और बढ़ गया है perhaps. And the way medical profession has handled it, I think I myself, but I think all salute to all the doctors and paramedical staff who were on the forefront dealing with all the corona patients. So you can imagine the mindset of a doctor or a nurse, who is dealing with the corona patient. They have to go back to their families, So I think this was a huge thing which came in last 1 year, and everybody felt that being vulnerable also they were giving all the service.
True. We've started looking you as humans.
अगर की होती खुल के दिल की बातें यारों से, अगर की होती खुल के दिल की बातें यारों से, तो शायद आज जरूरत ना पड़ती दिल को चिरवाने की औजारों से.
अरे
so I think talking to friends is again immensely important. Sharing your mind is immensely important. Don't keep it inside. There may be stresses coming in your life on daily basis, so you should talk it out and find out solutions. This is very, very important.
That's like the key takeaway. एंड बाकी इसके बावजूद भी अगर आपका दिल नहीं ठीक हो रहा है, बेहतर नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो देन ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू लुक एट द डॉक्टर. बट फर्स्ट you need to take care of it yourself before you to a doctor. Of course, you need to make sure that you are giving your heart everything that is important to keep your heart happy.
ये डायलेमा है जो हमेशा चलता रहेगा, दिमाग ऊपर के दिल ऊपर, बट आई एम अ हार्ट गाय, सो आई थिंक फॉलो योर हार्ट.
And since you are dealing with the interventional medicine, interventional cardiology, what are the things, or say, what is the most important aspect of interventional cardiology you would want people to know?
Interventional cardiology is a branch of cardiology which deals with non-surgical interventions on heart and blood vessels. So, इसमें surgery का कोई role नहीं है. Patient, in our domain, patient is usually awake. We don't sedate a patient. Patient is absolutely awake. No anesthesia to a patient. And we deal with all the small arteries of the heart where there are blockages which cause heart attacks. We go and open those arteries. We go and give an instant relief by opening those blockages जिसमें life threatening चीजें हो रहा है. तो वो सब either access from the groin or from the hand we do and go to reach those arteries and do interventions in those arteries. So besides that, now the arena of interventional cardiology has widened further, that we are dealing with valves also. There are small valves in the heart. There are 4 valves in the heart.
Yeah.
So there are many diseases of the valves in the heart also. So now the horizon of interventional cardiology is engulfing those valvular interventions also, where without any surgery we can change a valve in the heart. This is also we are doing, and kind of we are pioneers at Medanta. We have done a huge number of procedures. So horizon is widening. We are also opening the vessels, the blockages in the vessels which carry blood to the brain. We are opening the vessels anywhere in the body besides heart, and then these valvular interventions. So it's really a wide arena, and this is all non-surgical without a cut on the body and no anesthesia.
Oh wow.
I'm a music buff. I like to listen to music at times, although I get less time. Only some Sundays we get. So rather than dancing, it's a music, and I'm actually fan of old Hindi songs. उसके लिए भी एक वो है भी कुछ शेर याद तो आ रहा है, बट कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि हम दीवाने थे, दीवाने ही रहे, नए शहर में होकर हम पुराने ही रहे. So I am still a fan of old Hindi songs, and Kishore Kumar is my favorite.
अरे वाह.
And yeah.
Fantastic. मतलब तो दिल के डॉक्टर हैं आप, दिल की बातें समझ जाते हैं बिना कहे कि नहीं. I don't know, I need to ask your wife this question most likely.
No, nobody can understand better than us without saying.
I'm telling you, you're not the right person to answer this question. I should be asking your wife this. She's the person who will be able to tell me the truth of this. कि क्या आप उनकी दिल की बात समझ जाते हैं कि नहीं?
Absolutely.
ऐसा ताना मिला है कि सारी दुनिया का दिल ठीक करते हो, मेरी दिल की बात नहीं जानते.
वो ताना सबको मिलता है, उस ताने से कोई बच नहीं सकता.
But you are somebody जो चाहे घर की नहीं, but बाहर के लोगों की दिल की बात समझते हैं, उनके दिल के हालत. Fantastic job. It's been.
This journey was not easy, it actually involves a lot of your time. You have to devote lots and lots of time to cardiology. It's not an easy profession. Medical profession itself is not easy. First, 15-16 years of studies, and then the training, cardiology training is also not easy. You have to be in the hospital up till 12 or 1 at night also. So we have spent lots and lots of sleepless nights in the hospital. So you devote the time to the profession, the time which you are taking away from the family, from your sons. I have 2 sons at home. So somewhere, that is a bit pinching. But overall, the journey has been really gratifying and satisfying in terms of, because हमने बहुत सारे इस जर्नी में बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ्स को टच किया. बहुत सा फॉर्चुनेट थे हम लोग जिसमें हमने बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ को बचाया, और ऐसा लगता है भी किसी का अगर लाइफ हम सेव कर पाते हैं और उसके खुशी का कारण बनते हैं, तो नथिंग मोर ग्रेटिफाइंग देन दिस.
That's fantastic.
One, Swati started with the question first question, the prevention. So prevention is definitely better than cure. Everybody beyond the age of 40 years in India, we are all highly vulnerable for heart disease. So make sure that we are following these norms to prevent the heart disease, which are simply daily exercise करना, अच्छे से डाइट को हेल्दी रखना, जंक फूड को अवॉइड करना, अपने स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करना, स्मोकिंग नहीं नहीं करना, और जो आप अगर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और डायबिटीज के पेशेंट हैं तो उसको अच्छे से मैनेज करना. So these are things by which you can manage, you can try prevent your heart disease. Other than that, जो इसके पेशेंट्स नहीं हैं 45 के beyond, they should have one checkup every 2 years. This is also very important. Before it hits you, catch the disease before it hits you. I think this is the best method to prevent it or catch it where damage is much lesser and you can have the best outcomes. So this is the one message. And lastly, I think since it's an entertaining program, I'll end up with again 2 lines. ज़्यादा ख्वाहिश तो नहीं है जिंदगी तुझसे, ज़्यादा ख्वाहिश तो नहीं है जिंदगी तुझसे, बस तेरा हर अगला लम्हा पिछले से बेहतर हो.
क्या बात है, very very beautifully put.